If you need to notify multiple team members from one form submission, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. No fluff, just the essentials. If you've ever had to manually notify multiple people every time a form gets submitted, you know it's a hassle. There's a faster and more efficient way, and I'm going to walk you through the process using some of the best software tools for the job. By the end of this video, you'll have a system in place that sends notifications to your whole team automatically when a form is submitted. Let's dive right into the software we'll be using today. This tool allows you to set up automated notifications with a few simple steps, and trust me, you'll love how easy it is to set up. The software can send emails, Slack messages, or even text alerts, so you can notify your team in real time no matter what platform they use. And by the way, if you want to follow along, check the link in the description for an exclusive free trial of this software, only available to my viewers. I'll talk more about that later. First, let's start by creating the form. If you already have one, great. If not, go ahead and create a simple form using the software's built-in form builder. This process is straightforward, and most of these platforms have drag and drop functionality, so no coding is needed. Once you've got the form ready, the next step is configuring the notifications. In our software, go to the settings and look for the notification section. Here's where you can add the recipients. You can manually enter multiple email addresses, or better yet, create a distribution list if you plan to notify the same group of people every time. You can even set up different notifications based on the type of form submission. Now, let's make sure the notifications are triggered correctly. You'll want to test the form first to make sure the system sends the notifications as expected. Submit a test entry and check your team's inboxes or Slack channels, depending on how you've set it up. If it worked, great, you're done. If not, don't worry. Go back into the settings and double check your notification triggers. The software also allows you to customize the content of the notifications, so you can add dynamic fields from the form responses. This way, your team gets all the information they need directly in the notification without having to log into a system to check the details. For example, if a form submission is related to a new lead, you could automatically include the lead's name, phone number, and other relevant details right in the notification. And here's a pro tip. You can even set up different notifications for different types of submissions. So if someone fills out a support form, maybe notify your support team, while if it's a sales inquiry, send it straight to the sales team. This level of customization can really help streamline your workflow. Okay, now let's wrap up with a quick recap. You learned how to notify multiple team members from one form by setting up automated notifications within the software. First, create your form, then configure the recipients and notification triggers. Finally, test it to make sure everything works smoothly. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and get started with the software today. And remember, setting up these automated notifications will save you time and ensure that your team is always in the loop, no matter what form gets submitted. The key takeaway from this video: automating your notifications from a single form submission is a game changer for team communication. It's quick, easy, and efficient, and using the software I showed you, you can set it up in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.